get this mass resistance to the rule of law and immigration from localities across the country run by leftists. And I say leftists not in a sense because they're Democrats or Republicans, because they're just leftists. They don't believe in the rule of law and immigration. They believe in open borders. And they think because President Trump is president, they can thwart federal law on immigration. And you know, the impact is real world in the sense that people get killed because of it, like Kate Steinle in San Francisco. And these sanctuary policies talk about a misuse of the word sanctuary. They're policies that prevent the police from doing their job and protecting the people they serve from illegal alien criminals, because the police are prohibited, or sheriff departments are prohibited, from communicating with the feds about criminal aliens. Not that they're criminal because they're here illegally, which is a whole other matter, but aliens who commit crimes, legal and otherwise, both legal and illegal aliens who commit crimes, theft, murder, rape, assault, robbery. They're in jail already. They've been convicted. And they're being told, these law enforcement personnel, not to talk to ICE and tell these folks when they're going to be, tell feds when they're going to be released. In the case of San Francisco, because ICE was not informed about the release of one particular individual who was an illegal alien criminal, he went on to kill Kate Steinle. Now, Judicial Watch filed a taxpayer lawsuit against the San Francisco Sheriff's Department over that sanctuary policy they have that is so deadly and dangerous. And back in December, it was allowed to go forward, which is a big deal. And so we're doing the work in trying to stop these sanctuary policies directly, because the federal government may try to cut off the money, but frankly, I don't think it's enough money to stop these cities and states from doing what they're doing. That's why I was pleased to see that Attorney General Sessions announced that they're filing a lawsuit against the state of California over their new sanctuary policy, which is kind of like a statewide version of these other local city policies that I was describing to you. Following Judicial Watch's lead. We're the ones who've been suing over these sanctuary policies, not the Justice Department. So it's good to see the Justice Department enforcing the rule of law here. And it's essential. It really is essential. Because as long as we have these sanctuary policies, guys, we could have a wall 100 foot high and it ain't going to work. It would not work. Because these sanctuary policies are the equivalent of a giant welcome sign over every major metropolitan city in the United States. So if you're an illegal alien, what is your thinking? I just need to get over that wall and then I'm free and clear. But the lawlessness is getting worse. You may have seen a story about, I didn't review it carefully, it just occurred to me to talk about it. So you'll have to look up the details. But you had the mayor of Oakland going out on television and warning of an impending immigration customs enforcement action in her locality, which not only allowed illegal alien criminals who probably will go on to kill, maim, and hurt innocents, but also placed law enforcement at risk because they told the bad guys they were coming. Talking about arresting Hillary Clinton, that sort of aiding and abetting illegal behavior, they may have to start arresting these mayors. If you'd asked me a year ago, I said, well, you know, I don't know if you can do that, but this is just so extreme what's going on now. These people hate President Trump so much, they're willing to put your lives at risk to make a political point. Politics before the public safety. And they don't care what laws they break to do it.